Igloo Remote is an app that lets you control your Igloo using a tablet, PC or iPad. To use Igloo Remote, you first need to make sure you have Igloo Control and the Warper running on your media server. To do this, simply click the black and blue Igloo icons on your media server. Once both of these are running, you can start using your tablet. Just tap the OSC icon to open Igloo Remote. There are tabs across the top of the app which control all the functions of the Igloo. But for normal everyday use, you will only need to use a few of them, and in this video we will focus on just 3. The Playback tab, the Clips tab, and the Effects tab. This controls the playback functions of your Igloo. Once a video clip is loaded, it will autoplay. You can then pause, restart, or stop the video using the green buttons. You can also move through the video frame by frame using the previous frame and the next frame buttons, and you can navigate to the other videos using the previous movie and next movie buttons. Underneath these buttons is the playhead. You can use this to skip instantly to a specific scene or scrub through quickly to see the whole clip. The second tab is the Clips tab. This is simply a mirror of the content library which is stored on your media server. It can contain up to 8 banks of content. Each of these banks and each of these clips within them can be triggered by pressing the relevant button. You can't add content using your tablet. This needs to be done on your media server, but once it's done, it will show up here. The next tab is the Effects tab. The main purpose of this tab is to manipulate an image so it fits correctly on the Igloo screen. If the content was originally created for a virtual reality headset, it may need to be stretched and resized, or if you want the focus of the action to be in a specific position, you can do that too. For example, you can stretch an image using the Image Stretch Amount slider. You can shift your content on the vertical axis using the Image Tilt Amount slider, and you can spin your content on the horizontal axis using the Wrap Position slider. Once you've got your content looking the way you want it, the changes are automatically saved per clip, so the next time you play your content it'll look perfect. Those are the 3 tabs you will use most often. The best way to get to know them is to experiment and try them for yourself. Don't worry, you won't break anything, just have some fun and you'll get the hang of it. The other tabs are used much less frequently. In day-to-day use, you may occasionally need to use the Warping tab to fine-tune your warps and blends. Please see the Warp and Blend training video for a more extensive look at this. Finally, the Capture and External tabs are used with external inputs and game engine content. Again, look at the other training videos for the full story, and for more information, visit igloovision.com.